In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate your characters in seconds with Runway. By the end, you'll take a static character and bring it to life using a voice or dialogue, all in just a few clicks. I'll keep things simple and clear so you can follow along the first time. Start on your Runway dashboard and select Act 2. This is the workspace designed to pair performance with a character, so everything you need is in one place. Once it opens, look to the left pane. You'll notice two fields that guide the entire process. At the top, you'll see the area for actions, expressions, and the dialogue you want to apply to your character. Think of this as the performance input. You can add a voice recording here, your own speech or someone else's talking, so the character can pick up natural timing, emotion, and emphasis. Clear audio makes a big difference. Use a clip with minimal background noise and a steady volume so the mouth shapes, head movement, and expressions are easier for the system to interpret. If you're writing lines for an AI voice, keep sentences clean and conversational and match the mood you want the character to show. Right below that, you'll find the field where you upload your character. This is the visual that will be animated. Choose a high-quality image where the character's face is visible and well lit. A clean background, or a transparent one, helps the system focus on the subject. Center the character in the frame and avoid heavy motion blur or tiny, low-resolution files. If you can, make sure the facial features are clear and not blocked by hair, hats, or accessories. With your dialogue set and your character uploaded, you're ready to go. Click Generate. Runway will analyze the audio, map expressions and timing, and apply them to your character so the lips, eyes, and overall energy line up with the performance. This usually takes only a moment. While it processes, remember that the expressiveness of your audio directly influences the animation. Calm delivery produces gentle motion. Energetic delivery adds more movement and emphasis. When the generation finishes, you'll see your character brought to life, talking, reacting, and matching the tone of the voice you provided. That's all there is to it. For the best results, keep your audio clean and expressive, and use a well-prepared character image. With this simple workflow, you can produce quick animated moments for demos, social posts, or early prototypes in seconds using Act 2 in Runway.